Trump Media and Technology Group, the company behind Truth Social, has just taken a bold step into the world of cryptocurrency by filing to launch a spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. This move marks a significant moment in the ongoing convergence between traditional finance and digital assets, with potential implications for the future of both markets. In this video, we'll break down what this means, how it could reshape the crypto and financial sectors, and what you need to know about this historic filing. So, let's dive into it. Trump Media and Technology Group, led by President Donald Trump, has officially filed to launch an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, that would provide direct exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But here's the twist. Instead of dealing with futures contracts like most crypto ETFs, this would be a spot ETF, meaning it would hold the actual digital assets directly. This is a big deal because spot ETFs are typically considered more straightforward and provide a more direct way to track the price of an asset without the complexity of futures contracts. But why does this matter? Well, launching a spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF could pave the way for more institutional investment in cryptocurrencies. Right now, many institutional investors are hesitant to dive into crypto due to concerns about volatility, regulatory issues, and market complexity. However, having a more traditional investment vehicle like an ETF could make crypto more accessible to a wider audience. Imagine being able to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum the same way you would in stocks or other traditional assets without needing a crypto wallet or understanding blockchain technology. This could potentially unlock billions of dollars in new capital for the crypto market. The timing of this filing is also notable. Crypto prices have been volatile, but institutional interest is growing. ETFs have long been seen as a critical way to bring more credibility to the market, and a spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF could be a game changer in how people think about and invest in digital assets. In addition to the potential market impact, the involvement of Trump Media and Technology Group could bring increased attention to this development. The company, though still relatively new, has garnered significant media coverage due to its association with Donald Trump. With the backing of such a high-profile figure, this ETF filing is likely to generate even more public interest in cryptocurrencies and could push regulators to speed up their decision-making process regarding crypto ETFs. However, there are still questions about whether the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will approve this filing. The SEC has been cautious about approving spot Bitcoin ETFs in the past, citing concerns about market manipulation, liquidity, and investor protection. But with the increasing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies and the push from major players like Trump Media, we may see a shift in the regulatory landscape. In the coming months, all eyes will be on the SEC and how it handles this filing. If approved, a spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF could become a major milestone for crypto, further legitimizing the space and potentially opening the floodgates for other financial products linked to digital assets. It could also encourage more traditional investors to explore the world of crypto, boosting both the market and its mainstream acceptance. So, what's next? Will Trump Media and Technology Group succeed in launching the first-ever spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF? And what does this mean for the future of cryptocurrency as an investment class? Stay tuned as we keep an eye on this developing story and provide you with the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.